Thank you for your patience running late again tonight, but at least I'm here now, right? You are listening to the end of day PulseWave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. All right, tomorrow is the famous or infamous Jackson Hole. We're gonna find out some things there. We're gonna find out what's good with the Fed, what can or can't they do, what will or won't they do. We will find out. We will know. We will know, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so everyone's waiting with bated breath. We'll see what they do. All right, let's jump into it. We have some charts to go over quickly. Um, for all those inclined, if you go to your dashboard, go to pulsewavetrading.com. You can view the reports. They are out. I had to re-upload all of the reports. So if you looked at the earlier reports, go ahead and refresh your browser and you will see those updates made there. All right. So all that's there now for your perusal. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. I have been very busy doing a lot of updates and things of that nature to the PulseWave reports and also to the charts for these end of day videos. So now the algo charts look a little bit nicer, look a little bit prettier, and can consolidate the information a lot better. So hopefully you'll be able to get a lot more out of these videos. All right, so here is the first chart. This is the Dow Jones. Okay, the ticker is DIA or the diamonds. Okay, so going into tomorrow's Jackson Hole, we're going to see what the Fed is going to do about fixing and repairing the economy. We'll see what they will or won't do, right? All right, so you probably want to know what they say of the tea leaves, right? What is the bias for tomorrow? Well, the bias is to the bears for tomorrow. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Bear market bias for the Dow Jones for tomorrow's trading. And I believe that the downside could come fast and furious. So do what you got to do. All right. So the question is, I know you said Bitcoin to under 1,000. What price you see Ethereum heading to if the BTC hits that price? Oh, that's very simple. That will be the possibility of Ethereum um, dropping below 1,000 as well, and maybe even dropping to between 800 and 500. I'm going to be conservative and say 800 is the target for Ethereum if that happens. All right, next up. Also on the Dow, there's no bubble right now either. You're not in the bubble complex or the devil's triangle at all. You are flat in that regard. Isn't that interesting? So we are consolidating city. Also to note, we did gap down here too, and that gap has not been back and filled yet. So there's a wild card here that after the market falls down, there's probably going to snap right back and then fill this gap. And then where it goes from there is the big question. But for tomorrow, starting off, we have a bearish bias in the Dow. Next up is gold. The ticker here is GLD. All right, we're not in the bubble box on this one either. And tomorrow's bias is actually to the long side of the market. I'm actually looking for gold to break out tomorrow. So looking for GLD to catch a bid tomorrow. Looks like the bias goes to the bulls, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, we got the Russell My Hustle. The ticker here is IYM. There is no bubble box to talk about. And the bias for this one tomorrow goes to the bears. We're looking for bearish momentum in this one as the downtrend channel remains still intact, as you can see there on the screen, looking for this market to sell off. Next up, we have real estate by way of ticker IYR. No bubble box here either. And tomorrow's bias is to the downside of the market, looking for prices to come off, drop into the Kumo cloud. So that will give us another few dollars down. And this one has the potential also to fall through the Kumo cloud and drop out of the cloud and head south of $90. So get ready on real estate. Not looking good. Looking at oil by way of ticker OIH for tomorrow's trading. Guess what the bias is? You guessed it, the long side of the market. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm expecting a rally. I'm expecting this market to rally outside of the Kumo cloud, looking for it to push up and out of the Kumo cloud. This market has now relocked back in, and it will seal the deal with a nice push outside of this box of the Kumo cloud here, and a nice decent close above it. That would seal the deal, and that would confirm that the market has relocked in on the long side and wants to start trending bullish all over again. All right, so that is what we're looking at here, and I think that is coming. All right, next up we got the Nasdaq 100 by way of QQQ, or the cubes. They've been having a lot of commercials on the Bloomberg. All right, where is the bias for tomorrow in this one? It is on the bear side of the market. That's right, the bears have it. Tomorrow's market bias is to the downside once again. Now I know you got the little gap here that was done. Like I said, I think we fall, then back and fill. Or if the market wants to take a breather and back and fill first, bottom line is we're going lower and we're going to drop through this cloud. And that means the cubes are going to drop below 285 a share, ladies and gentlemen. Ouch. Get ready. Get ready. Next up, we got silver. All right, by way of ticker SLV, where is our trade to be had tomorrow? Ladies and gentlemen, it is to the sell side. The bears have it tomorrow. The market bias is to the downside for silver. So we're looking for the intraday price inflection point to actually confirm this. And we're looking for this market to head lower. A lot of selling pressure in these markets. I must say, a lot. S&P 500 by way of SPY. Market bias is to the sell side for tomorrow's trading as well. This market has the potential to fall outside the cloud and fall all the way. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, dropping all the way to $375 a share. Look out below. What about bonds? Are they doing any better by way of ticker TLT? No, they are not. Tomorrow's market bias is to the downside. The bears have it. And that is what it is. You know, you're trying to put the gun to my head and make me spill it. Okay, fine. You want to go there, man? Okay, fine. He's saying that if Bitcoin goes below 1,000, wouldn't that make Ethereum around $100 to $50? That is correct. That is absolutely correct. 100%. Yep. I didn't want to say that. All right, we're gonna have faith here and we're gonna say that Ethereum won't drop below 800. How about that? But nah, you're right, man. 100%. I can't even front with you. You're head on with that. Spot on, my man. All right, next up we got the mighty US dollar. You're not gonna like this one. You dollar bulls out there, you ain't gonna like this. Yes, we hit a new 52-week high. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Sound like Obama. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Ladies and gentlemen, the last time we hit this new 52-week high, sucked all the bulls in, we came down. The time before that, we corrected and came down. The time before that, we corrected and came down. I'm here to tell you that tomorrow, do you know where your trade is? Do you know where your market bias is? It's to the bears. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You have a market bias to the sell side tomorrow for the US dollar by way of ticker UUP. I will be honest and say that this one here has a potential breakout candidate attached to it, meaning that it could technically go either way, but I'm going to give the nod to the bears. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm giving the nod to the bears. I think the bears have come to play. We have this primary crash alert. You didn't get any downside production today. And you know the indicators can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. That's not uncommon. Therefore, we are going down. All right. Down, 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 down. That's where the market is headed. Next up, we got ADA Cardano. Now, I saw something in the news about that. I didn't have a chance to read the article. Didn't have time to do that, but it looked interesting on that one. All right, ADA Cardano. Oh, no. Say it ain't so. We are in the bubble box, the bear bubble box on ADA Cardano. What? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain to you the devil's triangle. Let me explain to you how this works. When you are in the box, okay, it is possible for prices to remain in the box for an extended period of time. However, when you are in that box, explosive moves and turning points often arise, and that is a fact. And those moves come in the opposite direction of the box. So, with that being said, expect ADA Cardano to take off like a rocket without warning at some point, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. You have been riding the box. You're in that devil's box at that 46-cent level. So, therefore, I'm expecting an upside explosion to come at any moment without warning, without news, just happen. You've been consolidated for a long time here. Look at the rainbow colors of the chart of the bars. Look at the bars, all these different colors. That's a consolidated market, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't know what it wants to do, doesn't know what it wants to be when it grows up, and it's also giving you a very long base, a very long support base. Yeah, the clock is ticking on your ADA Cardano, ladies and gentlemen. But yes, you are in the box. You just hit the devil's box, the bear market bubble box in ADA Cardano. Let's see how long it takes for it to explode, but soon it's going to explode and it's going to change trend and it's going to start getting real bullish. All right, so countdown to the explosion in ADA Cardano. That's one of the few markets we had like that. I don't think we had anything else in the box like that unless I missed something. Let me see. Was oil in one? Yeah, oil's in the bearish bubble box. Okay, so that one, yeah, no wonder it's starting to go up now. See? You can't make this stuff up. This is in the bear market bubble box. And look at the market already started to move in the opposite direction. Once you get in that devil's box, that is the Illuminati's secret coded message. This is that 666 that the S&P 500 hit in March of 2009 that marked the reversal. There you have it right here happening in the devil's box right here in oil. Now we just need that confirmation that the market's ready to do it. A close up and out of the Kumo cloud on ninth breadth and volume would do it. And we're off to the races. And you're about to see $250 crude oil coming. I know it's painful to watch and talk about, but these are just facts and you have to talk about it. And I think I may have missed it in the dollar. Yeah, I did miss the dollar. The dollar is in the bullish bubble box. Okay, that explains this red alert saying that the market is topped out after hitting a new 52-week high. Yep, you're in the bullish bubble box in the US dollar. That explains this bearish bias that is coming to the market. Yeah, so you're in that bullish box for a minute here, and then boom, now the market is ready to come out. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't make this stuff up. It is what it is. All right, yep, so I missed those. Okay. We did ADL Cardano. Okay, here's Litecoin. All right, here is your Litecoin, and it too is in a bearish bubble box. This is in the devil's triangle in the bear market. So this one also, the clock is starting to tick on this one when it's going to explode and change trend, reverse course. All right. We probably started right here at this rally alert we got on July 12th, because since then the market has started to move higher and got inside of the clouds. So this one is already looking like it's off to the races in Litecoin. Oh, and the market bias tomorrow, if you missed it, it is on the long side of the market. All right, looking at Theta now. All right, Theta is also in the bearish bubble box. Looks like these altcoins are ready to explode while Bitcoin is falling, huh? Interesting. All right, so this one is in the bearish bubble box, and it's looking like it doesn't. Okay, yeah, we got a primary rally alert right here. So yeah, this one, Theta looks like it may be getting ready to wake up as well. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Let me just check something out here. So, all right. Now, it is possible that the market could hit 22 cents before it breaks up out of this, though. All right. I know it sounds ugly, but that is a possibility if things go left. All right. So remember, I told you that first. All right. You got a downside target of 22 cents if things don't work out, but just know that it's in the box. So the clock is ticking. At some point, it's going to come out. It's going to break out of that box. And when it does, it's going to be on and popping, folks. So get ready on that one. Next up, oh, and the market bias tomorrow is to the buy side of the market. The bulls have it. Tomorrow's bias in Theta is bullish. XRP Ripple. All right, this one's not in any bubble. And you got the market bias is to the long side of the market as well. And XRP Ripple for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The mighty Bitcoin, the mighty Bitcoin. Bitcoin, believe it or not, is also out of the box. It's not in the bubbles box. And it actually has a bullish bias for trading for tomorrow. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin has a bullish bias in the market for trading for tonight into tomorrow's trading. I did mention that I'm taking a break from the Ethereum and the Bitcoin into the futures contract rollover that should be on this Friday. So I'll be ready to do something with it on Sunday. into Monday. I'll be ready to get back involved in the Bitcoin and Ethereum futures. All right, next up, so Bitcoin bullish bias for tomorrow. All right, next up we have Ethereum. And Ethereum is also not in the bubble, which is great. And you have the market bias is to the long side of the market tomorrow as well. The bulls have it for tonight into tomorrow's trading in your Ethereum. And then last but not least, we're going to actually take a look at the actual US dollar index itself. We looked at UUP earlier. And as you can see here, you're in the bullish bubble box on the actual index itself. And as you can see here, the market tomorrow, the market bias is to the bears, to the short side of the market, and it's also a candidate for a breakout either way. It could give one more push to the top side, but needless to say, you have a bearish market bias in the market for tomorrow's trading, and you're in the bubble box, which means that at any moment you can have a sell-off of massive proportions, or you can have a flash crash, whatever. Always remember, in bullish bubble boxes or the bullish Bermuda Triangle, whenever you are in that state, that's when your flash crashes always happen. I don't care what the market is, you're going to get a flash crash. You're going to get a sell-off, and it comes violently and without warning, without news. It happened when silver futures topped out back in 2011 after hitting $50 an ounce. It came without warning, right in the middle of the day. The market just crashed. That's what happens when you get in the bubble box. All right. All right. Let's see here. My man says a lot of whales haven't been moving into altcoins the last couple of days. Yeah, I believe that. I can believe that. That's why I'm picking up these indicators that I've been picking up. So yeah, I don't doubt that at all. All right, folks. So that's all we got for tonight. So go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't already done so, head on over to PulseWaveTrading.com. Take the 14-day challenge. We have a free 14-day free trial. See how much money you can make in the next 14 days by taking advantage of these powerful post-wave market signals. We have them in forex, futures, stocks, and also, as you see here, we have it in crypto. So whatever you trade, we got you. Head on over to PulseWaveTrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.